हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आईएएस फाउंडेशन। दोस्तों, आज जो हम बात करने वाले हैं वो यूपीएससी सीएससी मेंस एग्ज़ाम 2020 का अर्थशास्त्र ऑप्शनल का पेपर का हम देखेंगे कि कैसे कैसे इसमें क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। इकोनॉमिक्स ऑप्शनल पेपर का बात करेंगे। ठीक है, जैसा कि वो पता है ऑप्शनल दो पेपर में होता है, पेपर 1 पेपर 2। ठीक है ना। और ये 3 घंटे का होता है, कंपलसरी पेपर होता है और 250 अंक का होता है। ठीक है ना। चलिए देखते हैं। और जैसा कि हमने आपको पिछले वीडियो में बताया था, इसमें टोटल 8 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। ठीक है, जिसमें आपने 5 करने होते हैं। ठीक है, जिसमें ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है वो कंपलसरी होता है और ईच सेक्शन से 2 क्वेश्चन आपने करने होते हैं। ठीक है ना। चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन क्या क्या पूछा गया है। सेक्शन ए, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन अबाउट 150 वर्ड्स। Explain how equilibrium rate of interest and income are determined with the interaction of both product and money market. Distinguish between the post-Keynesian approaches to horizontalist and structuralist theory of indigenous money supply. Explain how renewable resource will play a role in future economics. Mention the classification of assets held by a commercial bank. Discuss the problem faced by commercial bank due to rise of NPAs. Explain Myrdal's cumulative concentration theory as a theory for development. What is the variation? Conjunctural variation. So how some model of oligopoly are derived on the basis of it. So the systematic monetary and fiscal policies are active in controlling output and price level. What makes technical progress indigenous? Do you think that technology is a non-rival goods? So that if the research become more successful, the growth rate will increase and hence the standard of living. और ये लगता है न्यूमेरिकल्स है। हाँ, suppose that we have only two firms in the market with constant marginal cost of C1 and C2 respectively, such as C1 is greater than C2. What is the Bertrand equilibrium in this market? How it is different from the competitive equilibrium? Even green energy is not always green. Do you agree? Illustrate your answer taking बायोफ्यूल एज एन एग्जाम्पल। ठीक है, और ये आपने ये फिर से एक न्यूमेरिकल्स। ठीक है, इसमें यू आर गिवन डेटा ऑन द फॉलोइंग वेरिएबल्स एट इन एन इकोनॉमी। गवर्नमेंट स्पेंडिंग 300, लैंड इन्वेस्टमेंट 200, नेट एक्सपोर्ट 550, आउटोमेनस टैक्सेस 250, इनकम टैक्स 0.1, मार्जिनल प्रोस्पेरिटी कंज्यूम 0.5, consume C is 600. What income Y is equal to 1500. Solve for the autonomous consumption. Solve for the equilibrium level of output then respectively by Y W and Y O. In these two scenarios, presents the absence of income tax in the economy. Solve for the change in the next export that would bring the equilibrium output level in the economy with the income tax to the level of YW that you found in. Specify both the magnitude and sign of the change. Figure are in rupees are 000 crore. Obviously accept tax rate of MPC. और फिर 4 नंबर में फिर एक न्यूमेरिकल्स है। मैनी कंट्रीज सब्सिडाइज सम ऑफ देयर एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्रीज use a partial equilibrium model under perfect competition to illustrate the following effect of an export subsidy for a large country. Welfare effect of an export subsidy: which group is winning and which is the losing from the subsidy. Briefly, that are the Calder's theory of distribution determining the share of profit and the share of wages in national income. Explain the mechanism behind Candler's model. So how the idea of monopolistic competition between industries of the indigenous growth theory as postulated by Romers. Question number 5 section B में state arrow 5 regional condition which a social welfare function must satisfy. In the context of international trade theory, discuss in the detail the various stages of the international product life cycle. Discuss the issue of compatibility between international trade and environment sustainability. In the context of a developing economy, do you think the fiscal policy is more effective than a monetary policy? Give reason in support of your answer. Explain how public-private partnership help in the rapid economic development of a country. In an economy, the government is trying to boost the local economy by a massive advertisement. Buy local, local is best. Assuming that the public tend to the pursuit by the camping, what effect might this have on the economy multiplier? Writers argued that this is unfair and led to distortions in free trade. Examine how the economy perform here under flexible exchange rate system. What do you mean by Tobin's Q theory of investment? What would you modify the statement ISLM function in the presence of Tobin's SQ? Explain the Keynesian speculative demand for the money engine registered in the regressive expectation model. Point out its limitation. Describe Levis' model of development in an economy with the unlimited supply of labor. Is Levis' model really capital driven? Give reason. Explain how trade blocks are important in the process of economic globalization. Illustrate your answer with suitable examples. Two firms produce homogeneous output with function of C1 is equal to Q power 2 is C2 and 2Q power 2 cube 2, and the intensive marketing demanding function P is equal to 100 minus Q1 plus Q2, so that the Coronnes equilibrium from 2 makes higher profit than the joint profit maximize equilibrium. Explain why this is so. Explain the recent change in the trade and investment flow among different countries in the world. Discuss the major factors that led to let's change. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 number question. The question 8 plus 7 plus 7, 15. In an economy with only two commodities, two consumer and two producers with single factor of production, derive the necessity condition for Pareto optimality in the perfect economy. Discuss different form of subsidies. Explain how preserve subsidies are detrimental to the economy and environment in the long run. देखिए दोस्तों, ये हमने पेपर 1 देखा इकोनॉमिक्स ऑप्शनल का, अब हम पेपर 2 देखेंगे.